Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool for every driver, the AZDOME M580 DAS Cam, a powerful combination of 5K resolution, advanced features, and seamless connectivity to help you stay safe and secure on the road. Whether you're a commuter, road tripper, or just want to keep an eye on your car's surroundings, the AZDOME M580 is here to give you peace of mind every mile of the way. Let's start with the display. The 4-inch touchscreen makes it easy to control settings, review footage, and adjust your preferences, all at the touch of a button. With its stunning 5K front camera, the AZDOME M580 delivers crystal-clear video footage, capturing every detail in high definition. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, the built-in night vision ensures you get clear, high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. Need even more coverage? The AZDOME M580 comes with a rear camera, giving you full 360-degree protection, helping you monitor everything in front and behind your vehicle. And when you're parked, the 24-hour parking monitor kicks in. It continuously records if it detects any motion or impact around your car, providing you with additional security even when you're not in the vehicle. With built-in 5GHz WiFi, you can instantly transfer your footage to your phone, making it easy to save, review, and share recordings on the go. No need for cables or complicated setups. And with GPS built right into the AZDOME M580, you'll have the exact location and speed data embedded in your videos, perfect for proving your case in an incident. Installing the AZDOME M580 is simple and hassle-free, thanks to its easy-to-mount design. Once installed, it's ready to go, recording automatically as you drive. The AZDOME M580 is not just a dash cam, it's your reliable black box protecting you, your passengers, and your vehicle with its advanced features, day or night. So if you're looking for a top-tier dash cam that offers superior video quality, seamless connectivity, and advanced safety features, the AZDOME M580 is the perfect choice for you. Don't wait until it's too late. Upgrade your car's safety today with the AZDOME M580 DAS Cam, available now. Thanks for watching and drive safe.